Here I'm going to talk about the small states of Europe. For example, the Holy Roman Empire consisted of a multitude of kingdoms and independent territories in the center of Europe. Consisted of Australia, Burgundy, Flanders, Saxony, Switzerland, and Bohemia. Also, there is Italy, remained into small principates and republics, like Venice, Florence, Papal States, Naples, and the French and the Spanish kings fought over the control of the region. Here I'm going to talk about the Eastern Europe. The Ottoman Empire, that is the Turkish people, expanded during the 15th century. Mehmed II took control of Constantinople and a big part of the Balkan Peninsula. Selim conquered Syria, Egypt, and part of Arabia. Suleiman I took control of the northern Africa, subdued Hungary, but he stopped in Australia by the German Emperor. The Russian monarchy expanded its territories with the conquest of Ivan III in the 15th century and Ivan IV in the 16th century. The Russian monarchs adopted the title of the Tsar, the Emperor, and the Polish people, the monarchy, covered extensive territories and after its unification with Lithuania. However, it was a weak, not very centralized kingdom. Here is Ivan IV, called the Terrible, and here the Polish monarchy flag. And that's all.